Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ram 1500 SLT with the 5.7 liter HEMI V8. And that is running smooth, so I'll go ahead and take it for a tour. See, it does have the fog lights up front. Fixed running boards. Polished alloy wheels, dual exhausts, tow package, Bedliner. Oh, there's a fifth wheel prep kit, power sliding back window, so it does have fabric seats, and then you do have cup holders back here, pardon me. Here's a shot of the VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos of that as well. That center console does flip up so that you can seat 6. Right now it's flipped down for a cup holder and armrest. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 38,752 miles on this vehicle. Got your push to talk, your trip computer toggles, your stereo controls are on the opposite side of the steering wheel, so you can't see them. And there you have your push button shift. And then you got your cruise control, your key fob, and ignition. There's your shifter, 2 and 4-wheel drive, another 12-volt outlet there. And right here you have additional stowage, another 12-volt. And then you have 115 volt right here, which is super awesome. USB connection, heated front seats, and heated steering wheel. And as you come up here, you can control that by this touch screen as well. You can also check out the backup camera for there, or just pop it in reverse. For your stereo, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And those other connections through USB. And then you have your vehicle user guide, which is so much simpler than it used to be. They have really done a great job on this setup. And as you come up here, you see that it does have map reading lights and your controls for your power sliding back window. All right, and that about wraps it up. And these do not flicker to the human eye. That's a refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. That about wraps it up for this Ram on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front and center. The airbag's deployed, but there is no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. And it has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.